guys, so this is the Ob5 Dl501 transmission, 7-speed. The reason why it's here is because it's giving me a transmission malfunction on the Audi. I have an Audi S5 2013 3.0 supercharged, and apparently the code that it's giving me, it's giving out the sensor G676, I believe. It goes here inside. It reads if it's on park, drive, reverse, or whatever. I don't really know much about it, but I think it's already out, and in order to change it, we have to open the transmission, disassemble it, and change the sensor and put it back together. Over here we have the I'm talking about. Give me just a second. It's like my first time doing this. I ordered a lot of parts from ECS, such as the ESG oil and the transmission sensor. What is this one? Yeah, this is the transmission sensor I'm talking about. Focus, come on. So this is it. This is the sensor that I'm gonna replace. And in order to change it, I have to open the whole transmission. Apparently that's what back person is saying on the computer. Some gaskets. Got the oil here, ready to go. And this is sealing gasket that goes in between here. I'm sorry about my English, it's not that good. Focus. I don't know why this doesn't focus, but it's okay. So we're back. This is part number. We even got some stickers. I'm just missing the. I have the DSG oil, and I'm missing the center differential oil, which is, this is the outlet and this is the inlet for the oil. This is the inlet for the DSG oil. Outlet, sorry. And over here, I know it's on the side, and I believe it's on this side. Here it is. So we're pouring the oil. So right now I just gotta drain the oil from this side because I already did this side. And we'll be ready to open it up. This is a 2013 Audi S5. Alright, so we got the transmission set up. And we're gonna drain that differential oil from the back. You can see it, but it's under there. Sorry about the line. And this was 10 millimeter. I don't know, that's a hex or whatever. I'm a mechanic. So this goes up in there. We're gonna let it drain. Then my next step is gonna be probably take out this one. These are some tools I'm using that I bought. I'm probably gonna be using and this one right over here. This is a special kit for this transmission that we're gonna need. This one right here is an important one. I think it was about $70 on Amazon. Alright guys, well, I had to go buy this tool and this long bar, or whatever it's called, for the clutch. It's not focusing. Tomorrow I'm going to be using it with the clutch. I was going to do this part today, but I don't have time anymore. Probably clean up the transmission a little bit. It's all dirty. But we got the oil out, and that's a progress. We'll see you guys tomorrow.